beautiful people. I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make Ikokore, also known as a Ikokore recipe. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So this is a Nigerian yam pottage dish made with water yam instead of the normal white yam, and it is a pottage recipe from the Ijebu people of Ogun State, Nigeria. This recipe tastes so good and is simple to follow. So this is water yam. So all we need to do is cut it into smaller sizes, peel it, and after peeling it, you wash it properly till it is very clean. So the next thing is to grate it. So this is my grated water yam, and you use the smallest size of your grater to grate it. And this is the grater I use, and after that we'll season it with seasoning powder, salt, crayfish powder. You can also use dry pepper at this point. So you stir everything to combine together. We're gonna mix everything to combine properly. Thank you, beautiful people, for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support. I'm not taking your love for granted, okay? So next we'll transfer our blended habanero pepper, seasoning powder, crayfish powder, and this is my fish powder. All I did is to grind dry fish. Okay, so I'll add in my salt and I'll add in water. You can also use chicken stock or beef stock for this. Next, I'll add in my dry fish and I'll cook it for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, I'll remove as much as the protein I can remove. You can use any protein of choice. And after removing the protein, next transfer your grated water yam into the sauce, and you do it in bowl the way you see me doing, and you cook this for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, you transfer back the dry fish or the protein you used back into the pot, and we'll add in palm oil. There are different methods of cooking this, and this is one method you can use in cooking this recipe. So we'll stir this a bit to loosen it up. You're not going to stir it completely, just stir it a bit to loosen it up. The goal is to get it lumpy. Let it be lumpy, okay? I added a bit of hot water and I continue cooking. So we'll cook this for another 5 minutes, and our Ikokore recipe is ready. So you can serve it alone, or you can serve this with cold eba or pap. I'll see you in my next video. From me is bye.